Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
In the United States, we're all familiar with direct selling and network marketing. It's been around for decades. Well, now it's gaining a foothold in developing countries and is offering people there a never-before-seen chance to improve their lives. Joining us via satellite from Jakarta, Indonesia, is Donna Imson, Executive Chairperson of Qnet. Welcome, Donna.
Thanks, Jackie, and thank you for the invite. It's a pleasure to be here.
Donna, what's happening in the world right now that is changing the view of network marketing?
Well, if you really look around us right now, we all know that the world is in turmoil as far as the financial situation is concerned, and that's not bound to, end anytime soon. And so in a situation where, unemployment rates are higher than ever, okay, where job security is really diminishing, and even really what you can get out of a job is concerned is going down. All the more that people are looking for alternatives, and network marketing really provides a fantastic alternative for people who are looking to create an income stream, whether that be a primary income stream or a secondary income stream.
So Donna, who exactly is Qnet, and what do you offer people as a new business opportunity?
Well, Qnet is really all about changing lives, and the business opportunity we offer people is such that it's available to anyone from all walks of life, from any gender, from any nation, whatever their background is. And so it truly is a fantastic vehicle for them to create a life for themselves.
Well, let's see how Qnet works globally in this 21st Century Business Field Report.
Qnet offers an advanced proprietary e-commerce platform powering the Qnet e-store for shoppers and the Qnet virtual office for business builders. They offer a fully supported entrepreneurial opportunity to promote the Qnet business and product portfolio to others. With or without availing of the business opportunity, Qnet retails a variety of products that enhance the everyday lives of their customers around the world.
I used to dream big, but without the right vehicle to take me where I want to be. With Qnet, I found the best vehicle to take me to achieve all of my dreams and to cross and to break all the physical boundary with the best products, a lot of choices, increasing year after year, and the latest technology.
Well, network marketing chose me. I was signed up by a very close friend of mine. I just bought a product. After using the products and services of the company, I started to believe in them. The price point seemed pretty attractive, and the possibility of earning money promoting something that I believed in, made a lot of sense to me.
I like almost all the products of Qnet, but the number one would be Fisher Radiance. I have to look good. As I've said, it's not about looking young, but it's about looking good. I'm 64 years old, and I have to take care of myself. All right, and I like taking care of myself. And the next product that I just love it so much because it takes care of my immune system, is the Olay, the olive leaf extract.
Who are your customers, Donna, and where are they located?
Our customers is really anyone and everyone who wants to have a better life, anyone and everyone who wants to challenge the status quo and dare to ask, why not?
Well, Donna, you've certainly shown us how the reach of network marketing is already having a positive impact worldwide on people's lives and their communities. Thanks for sharing the news with us, Donna.
Thank you so much, Jackie.
And thank you for watching. For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales.